Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to disable animations during calls in Telegram. If you prefer a cleaner, distraction-free calling experience, or just want to save a bit of device performance, turning off call animations is a simple but useful tweak. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap the menu icon in the top corner. This is the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Once you tap it, a side panel will slide out with different options. From that menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to your main Telegram settings, where you can customize how the app behaves. Now, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section controls how your chats and visual elements appear inside the app. Once you're inside Chat Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Animations. Tap on it to open the animation settings. Here you'll see different animation controls available. Look specifically for the option called Animations and Calls. This setting controls the visual effects that appear during voice and video calls. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. Once it's turned off, Telegram will stop showing animations during calls. That's it. From now on, your calls will feel more minimal and less visually busy, which can be especially helpful if you're using an older device or just prefer a smoother, distraction-free experience. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and hidden settings to get the most out of the app.